गए?
मेरे को तो स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए थी इन फाइनेंस व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय जॉब. सो
हाँ.
आफ्टर दिस होल थिंग आई डिड माय इंजीनियरिंग ऑन एजुकेशन लोन. आई यूज्ड टू वर्क in an outbound call center at that point of time. All 3 locations in Pune. So it was Viman Nagar where I used to work. My college was towards the Bangalore highway side,
अच्छा.
and I used to stay in near the MIT college. So it was
सिंहगढ़.
सिंहगढ़ के. हाँ, तो it was like a very different. और वो same लड़का कर रहा है. Imagine I am 5'11", I was 56, 53 kgs at that point of time. Literally malnourished.
हे भगवान, ये तो बहुत कम वेट हो गया.
अभी तक हम वो अपने क्विट वाले पार्ट में आए नहीं है कि why did the 2 best performers quit.
Why did the two? हाँ.
Yeah, very interesting key takeaway ना. मतलब I'm reflecting with you here. मतलब मैंने भी कभी नहीं सोचा इस बारे में.
नहीं, मेरा बहुत क्लियर था.
हाँ.
जैसे मैंने बैकग्राउंड दे दिया था. आई लव्ड माई जॉब, ग्रेट बॉसेस, ग्रेट दिस. सैलरी तो एक चीज था विच आई वाज नॉट हैप्पी विद, बट सैलरी वाज नॉट द रीजन आई क्विट द जॉब. एक ऐसा पॉइंट आ गया व्हेन आई वाज बिल्डिंग धैर्य डीकोड्स एज अ साइड हसल. 2 साल मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन और करियर कोचिंग अपनी जॉब के साथ साथ की. सो आई वाज वर्किंग एट KPMG एज अ टेक्नोलॉजी कंसल्टेंट. एट द सेम टाइम मैं वीकेंड्स पे एंड एवरीडे पोस्ट वर्किंग आवर्स सेशंस लेती थी फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, ऑनलाइन सेशंस करती थी फॉर कॉलेजेस, एंड कंटेंट भी बनाती थी ऑन लिंक्डइन, राइट, एंड ब्रांड्स के साथ भी काम कर रही थी. ये सब कर रही थी. सो देयर केम पॉइंट जहाँ आई रियलाइज्ड I was not learning anything new or growing in my job.
Common. Tick.
Okay. Second, I realized my heart, mind, body, soul was always more inclined and more invested in knowing which is the next session I'm going to take, which next student am I going to guide. मतलब रात को 1 बजे भी बोलोगे ना कि एक बच्चे का mentoring session लेना है, resume building या career guidance session, you will see a twinkle in my eye. And I was not even getting paid at that time, free. So I questioned myself, यार बिना पैसे के अगर तेरे में इतना enthusiasm है and इतना जोश है and it makes you so happy, fulfilled, and you sleep like a baby every single day, because I did it for 2 years. So जब पैसे मिलने लगेंगे तो क्या करेगी? या चलो वो नहीं भी मिले, which means that you have found something that makes you fulfilled in life. And fulfillment is important. So that made me feel, and जब आपका ध्यान ही एक्सेल शीट पे नहीं है, क्लाइंट की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने पे नहीं है, यू आर गुड एट इट, बट योर माइंड इज लाइक आज कौन सा कंटेंट पीस बनाओ, कल कौन से कॉलेज में सेशन है, आज के स्टूडेंट के रेज्यूमे को चेंज करके उसकी जॉब सर्च में हेल्प करनी है, देन आई वाज लाइक यार पूरा ध्यान इधर ही दे देते हैं ना, फॉर वंस एंड फॉर ऑल, लेट्स बी ऑल इन. आई एनीवेज डोंट लाइक बीइंग इन द मिडल, ईदर यू आर ऑल इन और यू आर आउट.
So I call anybody who's a dreamer is an extremist.
You have to be.
Yeah, you have to be.
You have to be.
Because,
there's no other option.
हाँ, मतलब अगर आप एवरेज हो तो आप तो वो ग्रे एरिया के अंदर हो.
हाँ, वही मैंने बोला ना, इधर इट्स अ ब्लैक और अ वाइट, इट कैन नॉट बी ग्रे.
Yeah.
So then I chose to go out when I realized these two things. Huh, that was the factor. That was the reason I quit KPMG.
And your decision was like once it became like
I think
realization हुआ because
first 7 months of side hustling. After the first 6-7 months of side hustling, I knew it ki I'll quit soon.
So our reasons for quitting was not the unsatisfaction with the job.
No,
but the
not at all.
Unsatisfaction of what we could be.
Unsatisfaction of what my dreams were, how big they were, and the amount of time this job would take me reaching them versus if I would do something on my own, how quickly I could reach them.
So you and me both understand the mathematics right now.
Yeah.
Of what a person can earn as a creator, as a coach, or as somebody who can monetize himself. Let's
Correct.
take an example.
Correct.
So when I was going through, and I'm going this to a very psychological aspect right now, because that is the crux that I wanted to bring out, and a little bit I want your help to break this down for everyone, because it's a very interesting part to me. See, we were performing good.
Yeah.
ठीक है, we had good in terms of bosses, luck factor.
आपकी तो पे भी अच्छी थी.
मतलब
मेरा तो पे भी अच्छा नहीं था. मुझे आपसे जानना है.
नहीं हाँ, मतलब पे आता हूँ मैं. So पे का ऐसा हुआ था. I remember, I'll tell you my first salary also. So when I told you about walking part, right?
Correct.
तो walk-in से मैं जब गया था, I was doing a hardware job. Before that, I have designed Oshiwara side का networks, optical fibers. जब Jio, 2015 I'm passed out. So it was the year of Jio transitioning as a biggest, operator in India. After that, walk in, and I come from a lower middle class background. So मेरे को ये था कि I have a younger sister as well. She's a sports anchor right now.
Sports anchor.
Yeah, so we both are dreamers.
So interesting. Please, I want her on my podcast.
Yeah.
See, these cool, unconventional careers, and when people nail it in your life, you can become anything today. This is so cool.
Yeah, and yeah, definitely.
And बहुत कम लड़कियां होंगी anyway sports anchor इंडिया में तो.
Yeah, she was recently on RVCJ वाला का podcast. तो she's doing really good.
Nice.
She's मतलब हम दोनों ही थोड़े से वैसे हैं कि
अलग
in terms of we always had bigger aspiration because we have seen everything there. Yeah. We have seen the days we did not have food. We have seen the days. I still remember my sister was being born and we did not have a house at that point of time. I'm 94 born. She's 96 born. And, my parents were kicked out of the house while my mom was pregnant from the rental place.
अच्छा.
At that point of time. And that's when my mom decided that, whatever happens will, secure a home for our kids, and they did. It was a very big thing. My Masi, who has passed away right now, she was even closer to me than my mom. She helped my parents to, in 1996 to get a house of our own in Mumbai. And
in Mumbai,
yeah. So you know how crazy it is
I
right
know.
now, right? So we have come from those days.
I can, yeah.
And
when you see everything in life, na, it's a very different.
It's a very different
thing. You cannot. वो आप बॉलीवुड ले लो, क्रिएटर इकोनॉमी ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो ना, जिसके पास ऑलरेडी था और नहीं उसने भी उखाड़ा लाइफ में, मैं ये नहीं बोली, पर आपके पास ऑलरेडी था और आपने उखाड़ा, और मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था और मैंने उखाड़ा ना, उसमें डिफरेंस हमेशा होगा.
वो नहीं ला सकते आप,
वो आप बिल्ड ही नहीं कर सकते.
I always take it as a God's gift because then it gives you a very neutral aspect of life. When
balanced approach,
very balanced approach, and you have seen actual realities.
सब देख लेते हो ना फिर.
हाँ, सब देख लेते हो. And that is the reason when my sister quit. Like before I quit, she used to handle Punjab Kings ka Twitter and this thing. She did internship. And now we both have been invited as judges. Like वो अपने कॉलेज पे गई थी, मैं अपने कॉलेज पे गया था.
So
full circle of life. And seeing my sister on TV, kid from our family, like nobody says कि ये तो underrated बच्चे हैं, ये कुछ नहीं करने वाला, because my dad is not that well educated, my mom is very subtle, and they have struggled a lot, but I think they raised it very well with the mannerism and the hard work. Correct. And since
they have instilled those right qualities for you to be able to outgrow everything that people thought.
And I thought that I was never a kid in that age. वो जो होता है ना adolescence वाला एक age आता है. I was forced to be mature and it was just a walk of life.
हालात teach you ना how to.
Yes.
You have to adapt to this. जब कुछ नहीं है, यही option है, तो just buckle up and accept the situation and do what you can ना, और क्या करोगे?
मेरे को तो stability चाहिए थी in finance when I started my job. So after this whole thing, I did my engineering on education loan. I used to work in an outbound call center at that point of time. All 3 locations in Pune. So it was Viman Nagar where I used to work. My college was towards the Bangalore highway side, and I used to stay in near the MIT college. So it was सिंहगढ़ के, हाँ, तो it was like a very different, और वो same लड़का कर रहा है. Imagine I am 5'11", I was 53 kgs at that point of time, literally malnourished.
भगवान, ये तो बहुत कम weight हो गया.
And I still topped while doing this. And I was still performing, and I was just doing this with that accountability कि मेरे पास कोई option तो है नहीं
है. वही जिनके पास option नहीं होता है वही तो करते हैं यार.
करना है
क्योंकि उनके पास और कुछ नहीं है to fall back on.
But my mindset has evolved so much, and it gives me so much of edge right now.
Yeah.
कि वो
compounding
exactly.
Whatever we went through before.
Yeah.
And now अभी तो I think it started for me at least.
Exactly.
अभी 4.5 years अभी उसका starting effect में देखने लगी हूँ. अगले 3 साल में कमाल होगा जो उन्हें, वो भी मेरे को पता है.
एज अ क्रिएटर आपके अंदर वो पेशेंस होती है कि सिंस यू हैव कम फ्रॉम दैट थिंग एंड यू रियलाइज इट्स अ लॉन्ग गेम, इट्स नॉट अ क्विक स्प्रिंट
तो है नहीं, मैराथन है ना. अब मैराथन चलनी है तो फिर पेशेंस भी रखना पड़ेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.